We ready? Here we go. DK number 25.
It's just so hard. It takes luck, and you just got to be on your point. And when you make mistakes, you got to mishit it. And I made a few mistakes early, and hit the balls hard, and fortunately they were right at people. But then obviously I hung a curveball to, and Gauss was able to hit a mistake. So that's just how I was able to break it up. And, I was able to bear down.
It's been a minute since we broke DK. Good luck. The Musil Mini, also known as Husk Frank Chance. Herrera and Spangenberg. Posey, Aficionado, Rivero, and Corsino. Kershaw, DK Originals, May and Castillo. Franco, Red Frame. Those ones are not numbered. Williams, Sluggers. Clark and Graveman. Taylor, I believe that's a variation. Lamb and Norris. We got a Javier Baez dual jersey rookie auto. Numbered 25 of 299. Going to the Cubs. Ronald, K-I-N. Nice hit, Ronald. Walker and Finnegan. Wilkins Mini, also known as Mr. October, Reggie Jackson. Smith and Gore. Tanaka, Aficionado. Alvarez and Barnes. Got a Hosmer. 15 of 99 going to the Royals. Paul, AUS. Darvish, DK Originals. Soler and Brown. No, I don't think so. Cardman is a another Eric. Got Corey Kluber, the blue frame. 55 of 99 going to the Indians. Ronald, K-I-N. Been pitching better as of late. The K-Line Sluggers, Pompey and Farmer. Castillo, Renato, and Wilkins. Castillo should be a variation. This is our last pack. Should be a hit. Evan Gaddis. Got the jersey back. Look at that dirty jersey. That's what I like to see. 14 of 99. Going to the Astros, Shane, P-R-Y. There you go, Shane. Love it when they're dirty like that. Nice hit. Tellis and Klein. So that will do it for DK number 25. Yeah, that would. I'm sure he would have liked it. Oh. Not that I saw, card man. Nope, it was a Evan Gaddis jersey bat and a Soler auto. No Diamondbacks hits. There were some base cards, but that was about it. Oh. Keep a positive attitude, card man. That's just, I don't even know what to say. That's bad. Just bad luck. Yeah, I know. Sounds good, Eric. Take care. Have a good weekend. Yeah, why don't we go ahead and do a last call? Anybody wants to get a pack order in before I head out for the night? We pretty much hit max capacity for the breaks that are going to fill tonight. It's alright, we broke quite a few boxes again. A lot of Stadium Club, 3 more boxes Stadium Club, some Bowman, Diamond Kings we even got to go. So I am going to go ahead and do last call. Thanks, Steven. You too. Enjoy your weekend. We'll get all your guys' shipments out Monday morning like usual. Be packaging Sunday. Like it might be a little bit longer weekend, but that's alright. I'll continue breaking that Stadium Club. That stuff's nice. I like it. You're finally getting something in your shipments, huh, Steven? Had a nice little run the last week.
Every backyard comes together around the grill and Kingsford charcoal. Gather round.
Volkswagen credit bonus on 2015 Passat TDI clean diesel models.
Ready to leave sticky sunscreens behind? New Neutrogena Cool Dry Sport. Micromesh technology lets sweat pass through and evaporate, so skin stays comfortable.
Oh, nice.
Protection stays on. New Cool Dry Sport. Neutrogena.
Restore your car. Restore your pride. Armor All Outlast Trim and Plastic Restore. Part of the Armor All Outlast family of products.
One more last call, guys, and then I'm calling it a night. Looks like I've got a lot of work to do, and none of these videos are going through, so I got to figure out what's going on.
Now all of a sudden I got to hear that they're not switching out the VA.
And never, ever on a leash.
Carrying like the VA in the American League, lay down a sacrifice spot once in a while.
High heat weekdays at Wednesday on MLB Network.
It's a new tradition, but we love it. And the Kings court chef Jeremy, who does such a great job in the Mariner clubhouse, is going to give it. Yeah, he's going to give the honorary turkey leg to this little guy. That's bigger than he is. Go get it, kid. Attaboy.
It's baseball's most unpredictable hour. Well, you just never know what's about to happen.
All right, I'm out of here, guys. Have a good weekend. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate it. Another good Friday night. Love it when we can break a bunch of stuff on Friday night. But again, have a good weekend. Get out, enjoy the weather while you can. We will be back Monday night. Hopefully some more Stadium Club. We've got auctions ending on Premier Box Breaks _com on eBay. I want to say another Stadium Club on eBay. So if you got a team that you like to collect, make sure to head over there. Bid on it on eBay. See if you can't get it in there as well. Again, I'm out of here. Have a good weekend, guys. We will see you all Monday.